Mustangs on three. 1, 2, 3. Mustangs!
Morrisville State Athletics, building champions through hard work, practice, and teamwork.
The athletic experience is just amazing. You know, our facilities, the coaching staff is out of this world.
90 minutes from the opening whistle.
I like being here. I like being open. It's different from home. It's very welcoming here.
The opportunities for internships, the applied learning that we have here on campus allows us to do the best we can both in school and once we leave here.
I love how close all the teams are, from hockey to basketball to soccer. We all support each other.
The Mustangs have 17 varsity teams, and they are succeeding.
Get pucks deep before we get off the ice.
Since 2010, Morrisville teams have won 21 conference tournament titles and 17 regular season championships. During that time, 19 Mustang teams have appeared in the NCAA playoffs.
We've won our conference 3 out of the past 4 years. At the end of the day, we want to win that NEAC title and advance to the NCAA tournament.